Hello Weekend Crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend I wanted to make some celestial inspired earrings. So if you're interested in this, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. First, I'm cleaning my workspace. I work on a glass mat, and so to clean it, I simply spritz it with some alcohol and wipe it down. Next, I bring out my cutters. I wanted to do moon-shaped earrings, so I bring out my moon cutters. Then I also bring out my silicone mold, which has these tiny stars that I will use. I also bring out my clay. I chose 3 different hues of blue, arranged from darkest to lightest because I want to do a gradient. So first, I squish the 3 colors together. Then I get my manual roller and just roll over these to slightly flatten them out and cut out the excess. Now I'm passing it through my pasta machine in the number 5 setting and folding it again and again and rolling it. This is how it looks like after a few passes from my pasta machine. Now, let's get the moon cutter. I don't have a cutter that's of a simple moon, so I will need another curved cutter to get the parts that I don't want out. So I cut out that excess, and this is the shape that we are going to work with. I try to smoothen the sides so that there is less sanding to be done once the piece is baked. Now it's time to decorate the moon. I'm making the clay stars first using the silicone molds. By the way, these small molds are actually nail molds. I dust the mold first with some mica, and then I pack my clay down and remove the excess with a tissue blade. I position the stars and press it down. Now let's make the flowers. I have a current obsession with sunflowers, so again I'm making sunflowers here. I got some green and rolled it down into the number 7 setting. Then I used a leaf cutter and punched 2 shapes. Then of course, these leaves get textured. Now I'm moving on to the petals. I again get 2 shades of yellow, squished it together, and then passed it through the roller to make a gradient. Then I arrange the petals and texture each one. For the final touch, I add some mica. Of course, we will layer the petals. Finally, we place the disc flower at the center of our sunflower and texture it. I placed 2 holes at the top of the moon because apart from the hooks, I also want to add a star finding to this piece. I hope that you like the results. It's my first time to make something celestial, and while it took a lot of steps, I really liked how it turned out. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!